What is graphic design? Graphic design is a form of visual communication, used to convey a message to the audience by using graphic design elements. It is a visual representation of an idea, relying on the creation, selection, and organization of visual elements. Graphic design is the art, or profession of visual communication that combines images, words, and ideas to convey information to an audience, especially to produce a specific effect. Graphic design is communication design. It is a way of conveying ideas through visuals and design. In this class, we will discuss Number 1. Graphic design elements. Number 2. Types of graphic design. Number 3. What is a graphic designer? Graphic design elements. Elements of graphic designs are the basic units of any visual design that forms the design structure and conveys its visual messages. As a rule, from childhood on, aspiring designers are people who enjoy the image-making process and so, at a minimum, possess a casual knowledge of elements and principles, the vocabulary and tools for building visuals. The elements of graphic design are 1. Line. 2. Shape. 3. Color. 4. Typography. 5. Texture. 6. Size. 7. Space. 8. Balance. One. Line, the most basic element of the design. A line is a shape that connects two or more points. Lines can be curved, straight, thick, thin, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, whatever really. 2. Shape. A shape is a two-dimensional area with a recognizable boundary. Different types of shapes like circles, squares, triangles, etc. Shapes are divided into geometric and organic shapes, all of which are basic elements of design. 3. Color. Color is one element that is especially important in graphic design because there is psychology behind the feelings that color can evoke. There are three main characteristics to color: hue, the color family, value, how light or dark the color is, and saturation, the purity of the color. 4. Typography. Typography is the art of arranging text. Typography is very important as it can greatly affect the design's messaging. Different fonts, combined with sizing, colors, and spacing, can add power to the concept to communicate. 5. Texture. The texture is the physical quality of a surface. For example, texture can be rough, smooth, glossy, soft, hard, etc., such as cloth and brickwork to mirror the visual appearance of the actual texture. The texture is another element used to draw attention. It can be added to other elements like shapes, colors, and images. 6. Size. Size is the dimensions of a thing. Size can be measured as width and height. In graphic design, size is used as an indication of the importance, and it can also create visual interest in a graphic design by using different sizes. 7. Space. Space refers to the areas of the design that are left blank. These areas include any distance or areas between, around, below, or above other design elements. Designers intentionally place spaces in the design to add attention to areas of the graphic design. 8. Balance. Balance is the equal distribution of visual weight. Balance can be affected by many things, like color, size, number, and negative space. Types of graphic design. Graphic design has become pretty multifaceted. The overall concept is composed of different fields and specializations. Here are some of the most common types of graphic design. Number 1. Corporate design. Number 2. Marketing and advertising design. Number 3. Publication design. Number 4. Packaging design. One. Corporate design. Corporate design has to do with the visual identity of a company. Any visual elements that make up a brand's identity, such as a brand's logo, made with logo design software, can be associated with corporate design. This type of graphic design is used in brand marketing to communicate brand values through images, shapes, and color. 2. Marketing and advertising design. Probably one of the most widely known types of graphic design, marketing and advertising. When most people think of graphic design, they're most likely thinking of marketing and advertising design. Social media graphics, magazine ads, billboards, brochures, email marketing templates, content marketing, all examples of this are widely used type of graphic design. 3. Publication design. Publication design traditionally refers to print medium. But again, with the constant digitalization of our generation, it has crossed over to digital publishing. Publication designers need to work closely with editors and publishers to ensure layouts, typography, and illustrations are tastefully combined, producing the best possible end result. Examples of publication graphic designs include books, newspapers, newsletters, magazines, and ebooks. 4. Packaging design. When you buy a new product, it most likely has some form of packaging, or visual element such as a label, sticker, or wrapping that is used to prepare the product for distribution, or sale. These elements are created by packaging designers. It's crucial that these designers are aware of current trends within the marketplace to ensure successful product marketing. What is a graphic designer? Now that we've covered the different types of graphic design, let's tackle the next big question. What is a graphic designer? In one word, graphic designers are visual communicators. A graphic designer is a professional within the graphic design and graphic arts industry, who assembles images, typography, or motion graphics together to create a piece of design. You can work for industry-related companies, like design consultancies, or branding agencies, agency graphic designer. Work with any company, in-house graphic designer. Work remotely on your own, freelance graphic designer. 1. Agency graphic designer. Many companies hire graphic design agencies to handle their designs for them. So, if you are working as an agency graphic designer, chances are, you'll be receiving a creative brief from companies to work on projects for many different brands. If you are working as an agency designer, you're expected to be a design expert. Oftentimes, agency graphic designers are very specialized in areas of graphic design. 2. In-house graphic designer. If you are working as an in-house graphic designer, you're employed by an established company and your work revolves around that single brand only. In this scenario, you're more of a graphic design generalist, so that you can meet all the creative needs of your organization. 3. Freelance graphic designer. Working as a freelance graphic designer is the most difficult, in my opinion, because not only are you expected to handle all design requests, but you're also responsible for running every aspect of your business. Sure, there are advantages like working on your own time and in your own space, but you will need knowledge in more areas than just graphic design. Summary. In this video we discussed 1. What is graphic design? 2. Graphic design elements. 3. Types of graphic design. 4. What is a graphic designer?